A 5-day workshop and experience centered around 3 key themes: communication, scientific thinking and well-being, recently concluded at Adventist Higher Secondary School in Khliehtyrshi. The workshop was organized by Avenues, a social enterprise in Meghalaya, under the project Apex Human Skills for the Future, specifically designed for students. Mabel L. Kinta, Additional Deputy Commissioner of West Janta Hills District, graced the program as the chief guest. During her keynote address, Jasmine Pearl Stone Latplank, Academic Head of Avenues, highlighted the significance of this workshop in encouraging students to pursue science and mathematics subjects. She emphasized that the initiative aims to dispel any misconceptions that may hinder their confidence in these subjects.
As Avenue celebrates her 20th year of being in the system of education and empowerment of our youth across the state, as a social enterprise we celebrate our 20th year this year, and today was the closing of one of many of our pilot projects, Apex, and we've had a lot of interaction with the